Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a sleek braided ponytail on myself. I'm starting off pressing my natural hair. I did a really light press because I'm using beeswax. So with all of my sleek looks or ponytails, I use beeswax. My hair is very thick and beeswax just works really nice. I like to work my way from the middle out. I'll start with a small ponytail in the middle of my head and then make rings around my head and gradually add each one into the original ponytail. I have to work section by section, so that's exactly what I'm doing now. I made my original ponytail. I am now making, again, rings around my head to add that hair to that ponytail. Now that my ponytail is finished, I'm going to do my edges. I like to do my edges with hairspray. So I'll start off by just spraying a little hairspray, honestly, just a little bit. I'll let it dry down some and then start to shape my edges down like so. I use the brush and the comb, but again, if I need more hairspray, I'll start to add that in gradually. But I always start with a little bit and kind of build it up. Now the ponytail is complete. I'm gonna add in my braiding hair. So I have one bundle of braiding hair. I bought a pack with just one bundle in it. I can't remember what inch this is, but I have just the one pack, and I'm gonna add it to my ponytail with another rubber band. Once you have your braiding hair secure onto your ponytail, you're gonna flip the portion that you separated back into the ponytail. So now you have one big, thick ponytail and you're ready to braid. So before I braid, I do section off just one little piece of the braiding hair so that we can wrap that around our base. And now let's start braiding. So you're gonna braid like you normally would. I didn't use any product. You can use product here to have like a sleeker braid, but I didn't use any. Just make sure that you braid tight so that it looks clean and kind of, sleek, just like your ponytail is. I did brush out each section before I started to braid, and I do braid my ponytails underhand, at least I try to. And so I'm just braiding as best as I can. Now, I wish that I would have added hair toward the end of the ponytail just so it could have been really even throughout the braid, like just one size instead of gradually getting thinner. But I did not. But I would recommend to do it that way. It does look better if the braid is just one size all the way down. So I'll do that next time. I'm gonna do this style again, but on my, still natural hair, but my hair will be in its natural state. So I'll do the same type of ponytail, but just with like a curly hair type instead of pressing my hair, because you definitely do not have to press your hair out for sleek looks. You can still achieve those same looks with your natural hair. So I'm just going to finish braiding the ponytail all the way down until I'm finished. Then I'm going to show you how to lock your braid in. Okay, and now to get rid of any flyaways, you're just gonna take your blow dryer not too high up, just kind of like at the very lowest heat setting. You want to just go through your braid with your blow dryer. It's gonna kind of burn off any flyaways that you have. And I also press out my loose piece with the blow dryer as well. You don't want to have it too high up because you will sizzle your hair. So just to straighten it out, I like to use my blow dryer. You can use products on the braid like spreads or hairspray as well, but I just opted to use a blow dryer. And then I'm going to wrap my little piece around. So the piece is now straight, and I'm just spraying hairspray each time that I wrap it around. And you do want to make sure that it is flat when you're wrapping so that it looks nice and neat. And then you'll just continue that around until you have no hair left to wrap. And to lock it in, I'm just gonna use my blow dryer again. Blow dry that little piece, and you are all set. So this is my finished ponytail. I'm just hitting the back of the ponytail again to make sure I have no flyaways. Everything is together. It's not gonna come apart. I like pretty much the blow dryer kind of burns it together. So this is how my braid looks. I love the ponytail. I love how sleek it looks. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please stay tuned for more easy and affordable beauty tutorials.